of living will change based on how many kids I have.
Yes, but we're in Cape Town. I'm just chilling right now, and
One or two kids,
yeah, we'll try the vlog today. Hopefully, we will do something interesting today. You can call this our mini vacation, but it's not really going to last that long because I'm going home tomorrow anyway. So, but yeah, morning from Cape Town. Hope everyone is well. We're literally forcing things at this point because the beach is it's really cold and it's raining in Cape Town. But honestly, we're here and it's an amazing view. It's an amazing experience for me. Like, it really sucks that Joburg doesn't have any beach, to be quite honest. Nothing at all. Hi YouTube, I am looking a bit rough right now so that I could check in. I'm about to do my nighttime self-care routine. Since I'm traveling, I don't really have all of my products and all of that, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a shower, do my face and, you know, skincare and all of that. The shower is right here. It's literally one of the most gorgeous showers ever, to be quite honest. I have this product for us, which is a conditioning shampoo right here, and then a shower gel right here. So I'm about to use these on my face, and then I'm going to do my skincare. The normal products that I have. If you guys wanted me to do an updated skincare routine, I can do that, but I've shared it on my channel. I'm going to try to link it right here, maybe at the top or down below, so that you guys can actually easily find that. But yes, I had an awesome day. Today was day 2 in Cape Town, and it was just a fun day because we were able to do a lot today, which is incredible. And yeah, literally skincare routine, and I just am taking it all in, enjoying this time here, because honestly Cape Town is very different from Joburg. Like, there's a lot that you experience here, and there's a lot to do here, fun activities, and there's just variety and a lot of options compared to Joburg. So that's why I just try the best that I can to maximize on that, and yeah, take advantage of that while it lasts, because before I know it, it's going to be over and I'm going to go back to my 9 to 5, and I just don't want to miss any moment. That's why I'm not vlogging much, because I don't want to miss the opportunity to actually focus on the moment and actually be present. But yeah, I'm about to fix all of this mess right now, and I'll check in with you tomorrow. I might do a home tour tomorrow. Don't hold me against it, but I might do a vacation home tour tomorrow, so that would be amazing. But yeah, signing out. Day 2 is in Cape Town, and I'll see you tomorrow. One thing about me is that my routine and my rituals are very important to me, whether I'm traveling or not. So I went to Woolies and got this peppermint tea because I forgot mine at home, and then I also have this sea moss right here because I still have to do what I need to do to actually be healthy and all of that. I don't have my yoga mat, but I am actually using the mat like that came with the apartment and all of that to do my yoga practice and my Pilates, and I feel great, honestly. That's just because you're traveling and out of your like comfort zone doesn't mean that you have to stop practicing, you know, your normal rituals and all of that. It doesn't have to stop, honestly. It's because it's a vacation. Like, I know a lot of people are like, you should enjoy yourself and do whatever you need to be doing, but honestly, for me to even feel good about this whole thing and not feel guilty, I need to make sure that I continue with my rituals and my morning rituals, my skincare routine and all of that. So yeah.
Good morning, YouTube. Our Cape Town journey continues. Today is my last day here. It's a Sunday and I'm taking my walk. My routine hasn't changed, but it's a new environment, a different environment. It's nice that I can actually go walk to the beach literally, and that is my exercise. It's incredible what Cape Town has compared to Joburg. But yeah, I am feeling very content this morning. I'm so happy, I'm so excited, and yeah, let's continue with this.
It's self-care time. Just did my skincare, just took a shower. Very cute shower, if you ask me.
Can you taste the difference compared to...
It's actually so thick. You can taste it
Can you taste the difference?
I can.
Nothing was operating. The South African media was at the public transport. How it takes the ranks and bus ranks, the taxi drivers themselves, the bus drivers themselves, we showed up, but there are no people. So if you're going to listen to a desktop, most of the people, possibly a basic analysis of wanting to undermine the narrative of the success of the shutdown, then that's your own map. But the reality is that you know that South Africans, they're watching a public broadcaster? All these examples are given to the state owned. And some other person have said that, and I hate to me. Why is South African? That's why South African are saying that the global enemies and the Muslims you talk to the US with the allies of the enemy. Your enemy's enemy is your friend. Never mind if he's suspected. Never, of course, police arrest. Have men admitting that I was wrong. How many people died killed by Muslims? So what I'm saying is, we are